What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be talking about review times for your low and no content books and talking about how long they're actually taking. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every other day I like to bring out videos teaching you all the tips, tricks and strategies that I've learned to help me make passive income here online. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you're serious about low and no content book publishing, then check out that link down in the description below to go to the LCB Vault. Within here I add brand new trainings every single week on everything I'm doing to increase my royalties. You can also get there by going to the lcbvault.com. So, review times. Now, all I can do is give you my experience and lead from that. This might not be exactly the same for everybody else. Everyone might be different, but I'm just going to give you my opinions and what's actually been happening to me. Then, nearer the end of the video, we're also going to take a look at my sales over the last few days so you can actually see how many books I've been selling through these times. Now I've got one up here. I've just got Funny Notebook, which is just here, and I've also got up just an activity book just here as well, because I want to talk a little bit about low and no content. Now this one, activity books are low content, and obviously a notebook is no content because there's nothing in it. Now what I'm seeing when it comes to uploading my books, no content is taking a hell of a lot longer than low content. So from my experience so far, anything like a notebook or with no content in is taking up to at least 7 days, if not longer, to get reviewed and actually go live on Amazon. But then when it comes to low content, so over the last couple of weeks I have been focusing a lot of my time on activity books, but I'm finding with the activity books that I create and I upload, they're actually getting reviewed and live within 24 hours. So to me it seems like Amazon is prioritizing low content over no content. Now again, this is all just from my experience. It might be completely different from you. I would love to know your thoughts, so please leave a comment down below under this video, because I am finding that my no content is taking forever, and then my low content, things I'm taking a lot of time on and are all custom designed, are just going through, breezing through within 24 hours. So that's my experience with uploading times at the minute. No content taking forever, low content done within 24 hours. Now one thing I did want to also cover in this video are my sales for the last couple of days, because on the 23rd, as you can see, I had a nice bump in sales. I sold 43 and 2 distribution units sold as well. So in fact, let's just go ahead and refresh the page on this. Let that load up for a second. Almost there. So let's actually scroll down a little bit more. Just wait for that to load up. And that's taking a little bit longer than what I thought. So let's just give it a few more seconds. We're going to look at this and then we're going to go over to my Get Book Report as well, so you can actually see for the whole month. Now this is actually taking forever, so let's go ahead and refresh that one more time. Seems like my internet's not playing ball today, so let's just do that. There we go. So that was my best day in a few weeks since the 9th of March, where I sold 40. Yesterday was pretty good as well, and I sold 26 units. Then today, so far, I've already sold 6. So people are still buying books through these times. Now, what I have been recommending, and that is People should start creating activity books, books that serve a purpose. Now, I'm still selling notebooks, nowhere near as many as I was. I'm now focusing a lot more on activity books, especially ones for kids, as like in here in the UK, all the schools are now off and they don't know when they're actually going back. So it's a great time to create kids low content books. So this is for the month of March. Let's just refresh that as well. And you can see that I actually made $1,117 in royalties for the month of March. And my best day was that other day where I sold 45 units and made $89. But for the rest of the month, you can see that it's just been in this downtrend. Obviously, not many people are going to be buying as many books as they were before. People are still buying them. This is still a great business to get into. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.